So I've just arrived at the car repair, supercar replace. So I've just arrived at Shorade Supercar Accident Repair Centre, and look who's here.
Hello, James.
Hey Carl.
How are you?
So where's Matt?
He's here, he's in this body shop. He's got the lay of the land today and he's now having a look round to work out the easiest way for him to run the cables back up to the cabinet in here. He knows aid.
From that building over there to here?
Yeah, well he's not doing that one today. He's going to do this one today.
Yep.
And then, because there's a conduit that runs between the two buildings, but we don't know in the past whether somebody filled that with inflatable foam or anything like that. We don't know if we drag a cable through it. He's going to test that drag through. If it's good, he'll run a fibre through it tomorrow. If it's not, he's going to test the existing cables that run through it and see if we can find another one that works. We've got one. And then he'll go over and do the boardroom and the showroom on Wednesday. I'll be with him Wednesday morning to finally fit all the wireless access points and make sure it all works. That's how it's going to go.
Good stuff. You seen any unusual cars today? Apart from the unusual ones?
Workshop today, because there's a McLaren in there.
I think I saw like a Lamborghini 4x4 or something around the side.
There's loads of cars and pieces in the workshop today that are really interesting. They've all been taken apart. So that's good, rather than put that together. More interesting.
Okay, I'll go and check that out in a bit. Can do it that way. Don't do it that way though. So here we are in the showroom. Quickly flicked it around. So here we are in the workshop for Shorade. We're going to have a Wi-Fi point over there. You can actually see it on the wall.
Not mounted yet.
Not mounted, but it's just up there temporarily.
Yeah.
While they mount it. Hopefully I can zoom in later on that. With a Porsche with a bit of front end damage getting repaired.
Yeah.
Tesla. And then we've got Matt over there on the ladder, who's just putting some cables in so the next access point can be put in behind the Bentley. Over here where the emergency exit is. That's correct, isn't it, Carl?
Indeed it is.
So we walk down here. And the reason we're doing this is they haven't got very great Wi-Fi in the workshop area at the moment, and a lot of the cars now, because they're onboard computers, need to have an internet connection, and the devices that they carry also need to have a good strong connection to run diagnostics on the cars.
Yeah, in fact the Teslas have to have it. It's a requirement by Tesla that they dial into the car when it's been repaired to make sure that it's all actually to specification.
Okay. And then we've got another access point that's going down the end here.
Yeah, on the blue cross down there.
Oh, where the blue cross is, down the end. And then you've got a paint shop in between the two. It's getting quite noisy now, so I don't know how the microphone's going to pick up.
Paint shop.
And then the other point's just going down the end down there.
Yep.
That's yeah, a nice setup, smart, clean, and seems to have great Wi-Fi by Ubiquiti Powered Access Points.
That's right. Those are the ones. Yeah.
I think that's everything then.
The complexity of a modern car. The idea and the concept that you could work on a car in your garage anymore is completely bunk.
There's Matt up on the ladder, doing what he's good at doing, laying cables. Oh yeah, well that's the right to fix, isn't it?
Look at this thing. Look, you can't be doing all this kind of stuff at home any longer. It's ridiculously complicated compared with an older vehicle. There's the Tesla.
Yeah. So should we head out back through here?
Yeah. I want to know what the hidden mystery car is. There's a mystery Lamborghini.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Ever since we've come here, it's been under wraps.
Oh well, there's that Lamborghini 4x4.
Yes. Yeah, that's the one you're on about.
Yeah. Have to censor the registration plate on that. Oh, it's got a nice hit on the side. Yeah. Oh, how much do you reckon that will cost? That is going to... I imagine that's going to be a few £100,000 to repair.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, airbags have all gone off inside it, so big hit.